So the next one is skull. It is in book page number 69. Ma, see the picture. Okay. So the skull is made up of cranial bones and facial bones. Skull and the Monday word. So Monday word la வந்து என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா முக எலும்புகள் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Okay. So the skull is made up of cranial bones and facial bones. So what is the duty of this skull is it protects brain and the structures of the face. Okay, அந்த ஸ்கல் மண்டையோட டியூட்டி என்னது அப்படின்னா அது நம்மளோட மூளையும் நம்மளோட முக அமைப்பையும் பாதுகாக்கிறது என்னது அப்படின்னா அந்த ஸ்கல் தான் மண்டை ஓடு. சரியா? இட் ப்ரொடெக்ட்ஸ் த பிரெயின் அண்ட் தி ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஆஃப் தி ஃபேஸ். ஓகே. So see in your book that lower jaw given, see the picture, கீழ் தாடைன்னு சொல்ற lower jaw. So lower jaw bone is the largest and strongest bone in the human face. In human face that lower jaw கீழ் தாடை இருக்குல்ல, கீழ் தாடை, that is lower jaw bones. அதுல இருக்கிற எலும்புகள் தான் it's a strongest, longest and largest, not longest, largest and strongest bone in human face na it is lower jaw bone. Okay. So this is about skull. So skull means it is made up of cranial bones and facial bones. What is that duty of that skull is it is it has to protect the brain and the structures of the face. Okay. Then that lower jaw bones which is in that skull, it is the largest and strongest bone in human face. Okay, this is about skull. Okay, the next one is vertebral column, that is நம்மளோட முதுகுத்தண்டு. Okay, vertebral column extends from the base of the skull. So it started, that vertebral column started from the base of the skull, first the skull, then that after that the base of the from the base of the skull that vertebral column starts. Okay. So what is that duty of this vertebral column? It protects the spinal cord. Okay, it protects the spinal cord. So it is formed by the vertebral column is formed by lot number of small bones that are called vertebrae. Okay. So it is that vertebral column is made up of serially, they are all serially means equally arranged small bones. Okay. That and all called what vertebrae. So vertebral column, come to vertebral column means it is extends, that vertebral column it's extends from the base of the skull. Then that duty that vertebral column protects our spinal cord. Okay. Then the third one is vertebral column is nothing but a small it is a arrangement of small number of bones. Okay. A small number of bones, that number of bones, that bones is called vertebrae. Okay. Then this is about vertebral column. Then third one is rib cage. Okay, rib cage means 12 pairs of rib bones are there in human body. Okay, the rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of rib bones. Okay, rib bones are 12 pairs, 12 12 pairs of rib bones are there in rib cage. So it protects the heart and lungs. It protects our heart and lungs, which is placed in rib cage only. No, so that heart and lungs are present in rib cage. So what is the duty of this rib cage is it protect that our lungs and heart. Okay. Then come to appendicular. This is about the axial skeletal system. So there are three: skull, vertebral column, rib cage. Skull, it is that made up of cranial bones and facial bones. It protects our brain. Okay, our brain and structure of our face. Then vertebral column means it is started from the started from the base of the skull. So it protects our spinal cord. Then come to rib cage means there are 12 pair of rib bones. Then rib cage only protects our lungs and heart. Okay, lungs and heart. So this is about axial. Then come to appendicular. Appendicular means what I said, limbs and girdles or the they are all in appendicular skeletal system. So first one is limbs. Limbs means human being having two pairs of limbs. First one is forelimbs and hind limbs. That is, forelimbs means upper limbs. Okay, two pairs of limbs. First one is upper limbs or forelimbs. Second one is lower limbs or hind limbs. Okay, so that forelimbs, forelimbs are used for holding a thing, that and all it is used, forelimbs. Then hind limbs are used for walking and sitting, running, that and all hind limbs. Okay, so this is about limbs. Then so girdles, next one is girdles. So that forelimbs and hind limbs are attached to the axial skeleton with the help of this pectoral and pelvic girdle. Okay, this forelimbs and hind limbs are attached to axial. These are all in appendicular skeletal system now. So these are attached to the axial skeletal system with the help of this girdle. Okay, this and all about your skeletal system. So in the next class we will see about muscular system. Okay, thank you.